Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet Pro MFP M227 FDN printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. First step is check our machine is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In a property, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is go to the YouTube description. In a YouTube description, I give 4 links. First link is the Google Drive links and second is the Mega. I give 64-bit link and 32-bit link. If your machine is 64-bit, then go to the 64-bit link. If 32-bit, then go to the 32-bit. My machine is 64-bit, so I click on the 64-bit mega link. You can also click on the Google Drive link also. And this link is open in your browser. In my browser, my link is open. Here we find the my printer name and the bit. Go to the here download and click on standard download. And our download is started at this point and it's take less than 1 minute. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes depending on the speed of your internet. Our download is completed and go to the top. Here we find downloads. Go to the downloads. Here we find show in a folder. Click on show in a folder, minimize it or close it and drag our setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file. This setup file is actually zip file and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy. Go to this setup file, right click on this setup file. Here we find extract files. Click on extract files. Click on OK. Wait for a few seconds. It's extract our files and new folders are created on our desktop. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find our newly created folder. Double click on it and here we find our drivers. Close it. And there are 2 ways to install it. First way is go to this setup file and double click on it and install it. But second way is the most reliable way. It is an manual way. Go to the start and type printers and scanners and click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, in a printer list, here we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner and wait for a few seconds. In a few seconds, new option is pop up. New option is the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In a add a printer, go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. It is a most IMP part of this installation. Click it here. Here we find many options. If you find .4_001 HP printer device, select that. If you not find, then find HP printer, HP port or the HP printer device. If you not find any HP port, then last option is USB. Select any USB port that you find. USB 001, 002, 003, USB 004. Select any USB that you find and click on the next. Next option is have a disk. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop. Our drivers are on the desktop. Select our newly created folder. Double click on it. And here we find many options. If your machine is 64-bit, then go to the 64. And if 32-bit, then go to the 32 or any other drivers are also work. But best way is go to the 64 or 86. I go to the 64. My machine is 64. Open. Click on the OK. Select version 3 or version 4. This is a series printer. In this series, there are lots of printers. There are many printers in this series. Select any printer that you want. It is a version 3 and version 4. Select any version. Click on next. Give any name that you like. I give FDN. That means HP LaserJet MFP M227 FDN and click on the next. It's take less than 1 minute. Wait for a few seconds. And here we find printer is installed. If you want to share this printer, then select last option with the network. I don't, so I select do not share this printer and click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer text page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start. type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners, and if you find your printer name at this list, that means your printer is properly installed in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.